Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Atareski Permatasari. You can call me Arka. I'm from the Department of Biology. In there, I'm discussions of article review. The title is Bioactivity and Metabolites Compounds of Medicinal Plants Endophytic Fungi in Indonesia. Okay, this is my reference from article review from Eka Sukmawati and at al. 2024. Okay, table of contents. Can I tell you about introductions medical plants? Number 2 is Indonesian medical plants. Number 3 is the endophytic fungi and their bioactive potential. And number 4 is Indonesia medical plants endophytic fungi produce antioxidant. Number 5 is fungi endophytic produce anti-diabetic. Number 6, antimicrobial compounds produced by fungal endophytes. Okay, let's see. Okay, number 1 is introductions of medical plants. Okay, you can look figure in there. There's many plants in Indonesia and representative for plants in Indonesia. In Indonesia, rich within the diversity of medical plants, vital in traditional medicine and the pharmaceutical industry. The distribution of medical plants worldwide encompasses over 50,000 plant species to find application in cosmetic and medicinal produce, constituting more than a tenth of all plant species. Endophytic fungi produce similar bioactive compounds from their host plants, and therefore it is hypothesized that the complexity of fungal, endophytes, and host plant relationship vary across microorganisms and hosts. Endophytes are known to synthesize various classes of metabolites, including alkaloids, cytochalasin, furanoids, glycosides, isofumarin, isoprenoids, lipids, pyrrolene derivatives, phenol, polyketides, peptides, proteins, steroids, terpenoids, chemates, and xanthones. Okay, can I tell you about Indonesia medical plants? Okay, see that picture. There's many plants in Indonesia. Indonesia has a great diversity in natural research, including abundance of medical plants. In the second largest tropical country after Brazil, with a total of 40,000 plant species are found in Indonesia. How many plants you can find in Indonesia? The application of medicinal plants is knowledge passed down from generation to generation, so amazing, and still maintained as local wisdom in the many tribes in Java, Sumatra, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Papua Island. Okay, look that. Okay, Indonesia have 5 islands. This is Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Papua, Java, and Sumatra. Okay, first you can see that in Kalimantan Island, you can find a plant is named Kaladi or Colocasia esculenta. Appears to be most useful plants as medicinal in diatribe, with Kalimantan, whereas diatribes in the north use plant are highest proportion medical herbal for setting pain. And so Sulawesi, you can find Allium cepa is the most used plant at Wangkong community in North Luwu district. You can find in Papua. In Papua, when Sanj malaria is an endemic disease in Papua, they use Andrographic panuku Latabrum, needs Carica papaya L, Alstonia scolaris L, RBR, and Piasalis minima L as anti-malaria traditional or common medical plants in Indonesia. In Java or Sundanese tribe, in Java still use herbal medicines such as Ageratum conicoides, or Babandotan, Brucea indica, or Babalentas, and Indian jujube, or Vinara leaves. And then Sumatra, you can find in Batacaro tribe in North Sumatra, use Hibiscus rosa sinensis, or sus flower, or Kembang sepatu, Iseba petanda, kapuk, or Etlinger eleator, atau or kecombrang as medicine to purify. Next. Okay. Endophytic fungi in their bioactivity potential, we can see that many potential endophytic fungi to produce bioactive. And first, endophytic fungi, unlike mycorrhiza or mycorrhiza associated roots and fungi that mainly inhibit the root system plants resin within various plant tissue, including root, stem, or leaves. They establish a symbiotic relationship with their host plants, unlike mycorrhizal fungi, which mainly reside in the root system of plants. Endophytic fungi colonies in entire plants, both intracellularly and intercellularly and intracellularly. Discovered the EAA, or indo-acetic acid, or auxin hormones, and flavonoids are crucial participants in the intense chemical conversation between plant roots and endophytic fungus. The use of EAA as an aerial spray to forensically enhances the root's ability to interface with the fungi and their effective colonization of the roots of plants. So interesting. EAA application increases the concentration of flavonoid and infected roots exudates. And then isolation of bioactive compound directly from medicinal plants requires a lot of biomass, which has an important on the extractions of biology research due to limited raw material for herbal medicine. Therefore, on why using biotechnology approach increasing the produce of secondary metabolite from medicinal plants is by using endophyte microbes, namely endophyte fungi. Next, you can see that common medical plants in Indonesia. For example, locally named or mahoni and scientific name sweetney mahoni. You can find this plant in North Sumatra and Papua Island from family Meliaceae. And then Kemiri, a scientific name Aulerites molucana, and you can find in South as Aceh. The family is Euphorbiaceae. And Kelapa, local name, or Cocos nucifera and scientific name, you can find in Sulawesi, West Kalimantan as Java, from family Araceae. And other plant you can find in Indonesia, and you can find in Bali, you can in Banyumas, Kutanegara, and their place in Indonesia. Okay, this is number 2 is endophytic fungi isolated from various plant different ecosystem. You can find the endophytic fungi to different ecosystem. For example, I have one example. This is Alternaria sp. Host plant is Moringa peregrina, Fox fiori. You can find this is endophytic fungi in the environmental condition. Can you, okay. Next, you can find environmental condition in marine ecosystem. This is interesting. This is in the water. You can find Aspergillus niger. From host plant is seaweeds. Yes, in the marine. Okay, the isolation of endophyte fungi from diverse plant organs serves the purpose of identifying the active agents to produce secondary metabolites, often found in specific plants organ with crucial medical potential. Plants produce secondary metabolites. Composition is various parts, such as fruits, leaves, stem, and roots. Genus of Fusarium, Collecticum, appears as the most dominant endophyte found in Indonesian medical plants. Okay. Okay, this is endophytic fungi. Number two is endophytic fungi isolate from Indonesia America. You can see that many organ to isolate endophytic fungi. You can find in the organ of plant leaf, stem, roots, a seed, and stem of roots and leaves. Many organ can endophytic fungi isolation. Uh, for example, I can see that Anona squamosa plant species in the organ of plant, it is seeds. You can find endophytic fungi like as Fusarium sp, Nectaria rigiduscula, Basopyra amophyllae, nh. Okay, this is you can find endophytic fungi from medical plants in Indonesia. Okay, next. Oh, this is so interesting. Okay. Indonesia medical plants endophytic fungi produce antioxidant. Okay, everybody, what is the antioxidant? Antioxidant are the chemical that is very low quantities dramatically block the role of antioxidant in targets. Antioxidant activity have been observed from endophytic fungi that isolated from example turmeric. Turmeric has been used as traditional medicine in Indonesia to treat many diseases, include related to free radical disease. Endophytic fungi isolate from various tissue of turmeric have also been shown to have antioxidant properties. Endophytic fungi extract from turmeric rhizomes, roots, leaves, and also turmeric stem inhibit the antioxidant activity in ethyl acetate. Okay, you can see that. You can see endophytic fungi with host, for example, Cladosporium tenuisimum. This is host plant is Swietenia mahoni L. These are compounds. Simple compounds is 5-hydroxide 2-oxygen 2-hyperan 1-GL methyl acetate. You can find this chemical compounds in house Britannia mahogany and endophytic fungi. This association to release to produce compounds to antioxidant. Next. Okay. This is next topic of endophytic fungi produce anti-cancer. This is useful to everyone when everyone to uh, when have a cancer disease. Okay. Endophytic fungi produce anti-cancer. Endophytic fungi have a merit to make it as consistent abundant source of potential anti-cancer. It's interesting. The endophytic fungi can produce potential anti-cancer agents, marking a significant contribution for anti-cancer drug development. The fungi are at the forefront of the search for novel bioactive secondary metabolites with the cytotoxic properties significantly contributing to the request for new plant derived anti-cancer medication. Okay, among these bioactive compounds, figures such as paclitaxel, you can see the chemical structure in there, and for the pilotoxin, you can see the structure in camptothecin and other chemical compounds, and have been isolated from endophytic fungi, occurring from using prospects in anti-cancer drug development. Okay, I will be next. Okay, so it is very wonderful. Let's look at that. When the pit produce anti-diabetic. Oh my god, this is so good. The diabetes has seen a significant increase over the past decade and expected to continue rising in the future. Oh, this is a fairly safe future. As a result, screening for anti-diabetic benefit, the novel and economy such as Endophytic is required. Purified coumarin compounds of 8-hydroxy-7-dimethyl-3-methylcoumarin obtained from the stem of Quercus gilfa by endophytic fungi Xylariaceae sp. has considered several inhibitory agents alpha glucosidase, and the fungi Cholestrotum asper from Texas, Sumatana, cultivated in Indonesia, produce the alpha glucosidase inhibitor substance include unsaturated fatty acids, especially in linoleic acid, linoleum, and oleic, and other compounds exhibiting an antidiabetic potential include guanidolin A, octadecanoic acids, guanidolin D, peptide, bacillodepsipeptidide A, aspergillodon A, herbarium aspergillomide A, and brevinamide K. You can see, you can write these another compounds exhibiting anti-diabetic potential include. Okay, next, okay. Oh, this is so. The next topic is antimicrobial compound produced by fungal endophytes. Okay, let's see that. Numerous endophyte fungi have been observed to synthesize alkaloids, flavonoids, peptides, phenol, folic acid, quinones, steroid, and terpenoid, which possesses antibacterial property. Flavonoids are compounds generated by plants respond to microbial infections and inhibiting hydroxylated phenolate characteristics. The antibacterial phenolates display a diverse spectrum of activity against paracellular targets, facilitated through interactions such as hydrogen bonding and hydrophobic effect and covalent bonding with protein. And the pit fungi, especially you can see that Lacidoplodia theobrome and Aspergillus oryzae, isolated from Hometia pinnata in West Papua, have a demonstrated inhibitor effect against Staphylococcus aureus and methylic resistant Staphylococcus aureus. Can breathe. Next, a molecular drug in study as indicated the endophyte fungi Trichoderma sp isolated from Calaspenia stephenwoods in Sulawesi in effectively inhibited Milacesia sp. Oh, interesting. You can inhibit Milacesia sp. Discuss Celestia saponin and associates or relationship Trichoderma sp. Can inhibited Milacesia sp. Next, an antimicrobial peptides or NPS represents a class of low-spectrum antimicrobial effective against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. These peptides play a crucial role in safeguarding various organisms, including humans, animals, and plants, by serving the primary defense mechanism in the innate immune system. Okay, next. Okay, you can see that in Endophytic fungi from Indonesia medical plants with antimicrobial potential. You can see that in, for example, you can find endophytic fungi is Cladosporium oxycorum. A host plant is Aglaia odorata lol. This is chemical compounds can inhibit Escherichia coli. Yes, this is a chemical compounds to inhibit Escherichia coli. The name is antimicrobial. Antimicrobial. Next, okay, this is conclusion of the article review. Okay, endocrine fungi hold great promise due to their ability to synthesize compounds similar to those produced by their host plants, alongside a spectrum of bioactivities are relevant to various therapeutic applications. Many of Indonesian medical plants have been investigated, yielding endophyte fungi with the demonstrated antioxidant property, anti-cancer, potential antidiabetic compounds, antibacterial activity, and consequently, the endophyte fungi associated with the medical plants represent a well-sparing of bioactive compounds with the potential to shape the future of Indonesian pharmaceutical. This is purpose of the biolog to improve and yes, research in fungi can contribute to the future of medicine playing you can call it. Okay, I'm Artaski Pamatasari. I think I say apologize if I have mistake when I share my material, and I hope my this discussion and I share material be useful to everyone. I'm Artaski Pamatasari. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.